surprise? What do you think about it?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise!
My sister weird.
Okay, anyway, what was your first impression when you saw it online?
I don't care.
Why? Mine was like, what the fuck is that? We are now about to taste the Jollibee flavored fries. I'm too excited. We are entering Jollibee right now. My birthday party. I want cake. Can we ask for this? Wow, so currently there are now over 1,100 Jollibee stores worldwide. She boxing all the time. Here we have the infamous flavored fries.
It smells like strawberry.
First impression is, it smells good. I always have problems carrying stuff. It smells good. It actually smells really good. Photo shoot muna. Every time my sister shoots, it takes a long time. I will try the drink first. This is actually good. Tastes like strawberry. It tastes like strawberry, but I was expecting it to taste like, you know, this cough syrup that children drink. I thought it was gonna taste like that.
It tastes like Kool-Aid. Strawberry. It doesn't taste like soda. It tastes like juice.
Yeah, I think this is tea.
Ah, okay.
It's not soda. So this strawberry tea is actually good. Now the fries. Okay guys, we're not being mean, but I'm a bit iffy to try it because a lot of people don't like it at all and there are a lot of bad reviews online. So dati wala talagang chocolate syrup, ngayon nilagyan na nila. Okay, I want to try one with no chocolate syrup first. I'm out of words. I don't know what to say. How do you describe it? It's salty and sweet at the same time. She's a food blogger and she doesn't know what to say. Okay, let me try it with the chocolate first. Baka mas masarap kaya nilagyan nila ng
It
chocolate.
tastes like Bavarian donuts. I don't know. Flavor.
The chocolate syrup makes it taste way better. So kaya nila
Someone's
dagdagan.
watching behind because you're weird. Oh, try it with ice cream.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it's actually good with chocolate syrup, but if there's no chocolate syrup, it tastes kind of weird. It's not for everyone, but it's not so bad.
Bibilin mo ulit.
I wouldn't buy it again.
It's okay to try. How much is this?
The price with chocolate syrup is 70 pesos. It's something worth trying once, but I don't know if anyone... Malay mo may mga taong favorite pala to, so I don't want to offend, but for me...
Buy the drink.
Pwede. Yeah, buy the drink. The drink is good. You know, honestly, I cannot finish this. Can you? Why did you mix strawberry with rice? I don't get it. Oh my god! This is the only thing I like.
It's good.
Oh my god, she did it again! What a surprise! Wait, I smiled my tinga pa yata.
It's not Friday. It's Wednesday.
Oh, it's a bird! No, it's a fry! Oh, it's a float! No, it's tea!
Oh no!
Hindi na namin maubos yung fries. Can you finish it? Can you finish it? You know, honestly, I cannot finish this. Can you? Can you? We give up, we give up. Pero konti na lang naman yung natira. Okay, so advice to people who want to try it. Wait, oh my god, I forgot to take a picture of me in the strawberry fry. Like this. Because I wore pink lipstick for it. Now my lipstick is gone. So wala na yung pink lipstick ko that matches the pink float and the pink strawberry fry that I failed to take a picture of. My plans always fail.
Sorry na lang.
Jollibee strawberry fries, yes or no? What's that?
Sorry, Jolly.
That was so... She's so mean. She loves food but she doesn't like it, so I think that's a pretty good
Be honest.
review.
Be honest.
We're credible because we are honest. If you're still watching, I would like to thank you guys. This is my first official vlog and I still got a lot of practice to do. If you guys liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, links in the description. Also hit the like button, it will inspire me to do more videos. Thank you so much again guys. Goodbye. We're now in Uptown Parade. I had to buy a new tripod because my existing one broke. My GoPro fell on the floor a while ago while I was saying hi to my friends because I got so excited to see them. And now it's broken. Got the buy one take one quesadilla because of the Bookie app. Tipid tips. Use Bookie app.
Download Bookie.